Na mi adu bibia e kama pa bibia e kama.
Na kotoko ne has ne baso no me hu ball e wa brochire wa. E wo se e kan wa se be sanse ni giaba. Ghana football no se ne esi aye no. Na ohwa league table no se ne atwede na esi aye na. Had to work 56 points plus 22 goals. Asante Kotoko 56 points plus 18 goals. Enti ama gro no eye de papa ye enti minim amano ne dia odi beso kakra. On ho dia nya abotre beba ho. Na ma wo se all the videos bi so aba no nso na tuto ye no. Brand be poetry pa wumpa oma etimo batini nyina mu no yebeka wasa
amam sisia o se mo anya fe o mo hwe Facebook ni sisia yi o se mo bokotoko do mo de pa Thomas song na betu ba mo bo has for dem ye mu se mu yi has for cars o ma je ba bi o mu didi obi ba yi has place ni sa ti ba bi o ti fie sisia o hu ba bi am free o se producers na anya try to kotoko that's first point am tin o de amam sisia and mu ball e mu sum bokotoko de 35 seconds 1 minute 4 seconds obi na chacha am sisia
you can bokotoko nyom no
and
na me ball has the second inti no so be kan say
yes for so ada no bokotoko nyom no
oh boy but has the do so sin yen Osama has players pictures omo management pictures
so omo
na ebo hay kuma se yem nya akra hay pure FM Asante region aye kotoko krom kese ye wan krade akebe kan anu atum wa boss yen asama omo pictures omo supporters no omo
dey no catch them say from why sibium catch them say sibium
Mr. Abati omo say sibium
why we dey am pass bia na ada na match krata koma FA ni say referee Daniel Lai mo mpese obe handle sa game
this season Daniel Lai edikotoko matches 2 yerim say we upcoming referee fi say Ghanaian referees ni nyina na say okura bad na nyina dey support emano no betimi apagya Ghana ye referees ni nyina betimi ati omanim I feel say nka tough match on esi we den wodi but this season we dey matches 2 we di ni poto wa nya de ye first match any brekum Arsenal brekum referee Lai energy ye oye match no nwuna ye wie samba kai then coach Masoknadu and head coach and o make key comment bi ka say no respect this referee pay but this match there we ni ye that coach Masoknadu comment I think referees appointment committee ni clip no komo hwe no komo babontin be kan bibi me to ye nyina yakoma so ye hu yan say referees appointment committee ababontin be didi Masoknadu atempoto bi jiri se mo tape ni bi
yeah
Antowana ethics committee sa tro letter edi ma coach Masoknadu say ne kasa no kasa no ankasa ye frɛ no esa no mutwato ho enu bi ne yenam so yetime ya tro letter no so obi adibo a wani ni ye coach wa prepare it mo say referee na ni ye ko no abonte me ka so ye hwe match no
chum Ghana han your best referee Daniel Lai no
ti your best na say niam e won ho a yetimi kan
o say ebetumi agene nsem 1 or 2 bi
ti agene ujitum say agene nsem
of course agene nsem so Kotoko ne
brekum
David last match ya
me pese ye brekum de no ye wie ye no ne san ba ne second match second run if say e ko sua niam bi a e ko nya Kotoko second match as a best referee a obetimi di match ne ye di amaye and also be di match na ma obi afi say referee the best referee of Ghana or FIFA referee and so dey as good obi ehu de okoye poto sa di tia e poto am ye hu referee there why first one me aka ho asem nka ba ye point na any as good obi ankasa nye nim say kasa first one second one no oba no ko betimi ab di no hu ni am ye nyina support am and so poto emrana as a FIFA referee de ye adwuma no ba ko danaji obo ase a obi adwene won ti ase clear chance I am scoring goal dem fi kwose keeper pie from the line adni sabe kan wasa je forward ti ayin abo no obi ahwe bi wo boaso no bia hu se ball na time
boy was here fan sir
ye tro koma omo ne ko pese referees appointment committee na say efi kura tro ba se de kotoko mo kan no no kure ana say nya no kure the same venue referee bi ko di match a oje penalty bi ti Accra House of Folk referee abandoning rest of the season it is one team deep match be up to next season we man can you say the lie here na come back catch us lie there no ye oboase no come and kenu wasem and as anya come and kenu o man can hwe and this referee must have appointed no so somebody Kotoko ne has
well me sure say well yeah shey because
ana obi dey say to so me ensa we dey me dey tu ye ni mra no mo na mo ni mra no CAF mra kire say African Cup kotoko ebia kotoko from West African country ene bia ni Morocco na ebo Morocco ba Kumasi CAF mra no betimi appoint referee from West Africa mana ba be dia na
oh say referee there yes
emra na me yehwe
yankwa homa no so referee former referee Justice Edupoku osi ono ya adwen san say osusu sanka match we kra na yefa foreign referee na medi but ono ankasa gitum the last time oba ha say referee Daniel Lai is the best referee in this country. I will bet you this match. Ref, yamo akwa baba yejumedi so. Na the edi kan say appointment committee no in the appointment of Daniel Lai manya diana.
Daniel Lai there. Mama I come chow. I see for near Santimania. Daniel Lai there. A good decision some appointed Daniel Lai. Okay, so far no number 1. And he say they know bia my name here. It is number 1 who phobia.
Now, who concerns here then? Because who raise concerns about the foreign referees or on my handle? Yeah, the Daniel Lai Abadia said there are no concerns raised.
Daniel Lai Abba, a good decision. But among the appointment committee no more like wisdom in their decision.
Say appointment committee no lack wisdom in their decision.
They lack wisdom in the appointment of these referees, apart from Daniel Lai. Because Kotokoni has never booked. And now who your appointment now? Basic where the team is coming from, or the way team is coming from. Now we are appointment offer 2 referees from Accra. And offer 1 referee from Brunhafo. And 1 referee from Western Region. It is a Kotokoni has no. I didn't tell 22 referees from Accra. I know 22 referees from Kumasi. Not any balance.
Now, ref, location of the referee, no. A material, a idea ubetumi agina so e dia kan sem se ofrin kran o ten kran na ni dwumedie na ne modemo no eni ba bi ote no relationship ne edan
obi so ni nya atem na kokot na ba param papa na ejeja ofi ze judgment re ba no sanko favor ata be na beta
oh so we 2 different scenarios. Where me relationship, me fatherly relationship as a judge. Inti where the referee no babedi or ten crime. Me who a kwanya obetumi asisi kotoko.
Your referee is so smart here. It almost na.
Well, until what some now can you na talk for bomb say you are calling for fair representation in terms of maybe a referee ni FIBA.
Yeah. It get it offer 2 referees from Greater Accra. You equally FIFA referee. Now one day why no. I prefer referee from Bravo. The other one going in the mean program say, and no ya no the legosity has. What was the big Sunday?
Okay, ref, yan fancy na yan hwese empanyin for the bakwa adwendwen mu a ne ahwese ne ebesi akọ but senior wedi ka no center referee ne the problem bi ani ho enti eno ne yebebo efi na baso na yakọ anim referee as always pleasure talking to you. Okay, referee Edupoku Nensem no well yan hwese ne no besi akọ BYT atna say na build up no
obi referee no nze ochira de so Ashanti region
Daniel Lai
say oye P master wo a fiscal senior high school.
That's a problem yo.
So what I say?
I say we have no yet.
We are crowd base, but enu ntina ebian panifo yi ni because o twaka enkran na o base but on tenkran. What a fijase kuma say oye
obi. On paper, Taylor on paper, I say Accra based referee. Unse answer na referee ba me di kan say me say ntimi Morocco ene kotoko African Cup wa me ko Togo referee. Unko fa Benin referee so medi 2 referees from Accra na me be kana ma referee so this asem na beto so 4th referee same faster than la BBC 4th referee from Accra.
Okay,
it's 2 referees from Accra and 1 referee center referee na FF4 you know yanka so onya ade but this season kotoko 2 matches
Okay.
No, fourth referee.
Okay.
Fourth referee. Fourth referee near wire.
Fourth referee.
We'll find Bensifa Kwame. Referee or Cape Coast.
Why a crowd?
Also, nurse. Saint Xavier Francis Xavier Hospital. I was in for
side. Accra base.
You go into sa referee no. Even though say also be a baby or say referee as no be Accra, but also so asin for su base central region.
Okay.
On now
Accra base. Papalaso teacher ni wo Aswa B basic school ewo Wenchi. But we ofri boga Tanga.
Okay.
Ana Akwasi Burube. And so sisi ameka say ono so eco school we student wa boni degrees ni ade ono so part of sa referees omo ba nti ono ye lanwa fourth referee ni Bensifa Kwame wadi kotoko ne hasra 2018 2nd September bona kotoko Emmanuel Jamfine obedo osusia kotoko tunela omututu nkonya ma ye de supporters no be call biayewe your friend say ufri enkawe circuit court no Bensifa Kwame aye boni din on this match Patrick Papala was line 1 so 2 referees and a referee will be match is here one so why 4th referee da when Kotoko played Hearts in Accra 2017 Independence Cup Hearts won 3-1 okay on the ball return leg go Kumasi goalless na Hearts J Cup sa season na Kotoko so share Hearts AJ President Cup penalty shootout so enti referees one mubedi no obia di Kotoko Hearts da why involved
okay
enti protest no
further clarity no say referees no so free cry I say honor register
honor register was start say no and yes say honor enti ebianka me Hearts ni so omo so to raise concern say o tidibe Kumasi
on paper
the ono so tie afijase ono so
maybe or the rule mu say obey referee on paper or ya crap
but it makes no difference no plan say
anything na man balance
maybe obetimi ashabra baby so ati ase no akowie o baby untimi nkowie wa Accra bro register wa Accra say o ti Accra di ma now register all books no bibia what to about or say me ye mo bantimenti bantima obi anim sem papa fie ni ti ye to about unkra ID card beto patapa beto about bantima enye yi
okay
baby are register ye no what books on paper no enne de adwuma
okay
la tabia kosi ewen central so na brobi no ono so ye adwuma so GLA Ghana Library Authority on na ye ohwe so
problem no nyame boa kwasiada referees no on be ye adwuma
your referees ni nyina profile so ha
they are very good referees no ogidie say omo be ye adwuma Ghana mani obia we are for na nyina no obia ebebo omo abaso BYT league no 56 ye nya sa tight call be say ahead of the super clash
obi me kai bako say omo ye pesade na intense abra ye be we league ni sa but 1984-85 league season June 12 na month of June say ya Kotoko ne Hearts ewo Kumasi na sa yi anoko away na o sha unya 3 points ubo home na o sha 2 points intina ma away performance in teams no so o gather more away points eboa ma league no also utimi enya eye twaka womie pa proud to 2 teams no matches no na Hearts 35 points Kotoko 33 points Kotoko sha or the goals ebeji league no Hearts be got 38 points because 35 now obenya 3 points plus edano na Joe Amwatin ebe share Kotoko Kumasi no BT goalkeeper Wilson ewo Osekurum Emma match no 1-0 yes nsuo toye yes and yes o kai sa match no pa 85 12 June so photo finish no na Kotoko sa waji league Hearts sa ebo draw Hearts waji league sa match we so say a draw na scoring goalless Hearts winning the other games na obeji league say Kotoko timi say Hearts na 3 matches na aka no Kotoko lose 1 na Hearts se ni na akwa Kotoko waji league no say on said the scenario ni sitie say Kotoko timi ne Hearts bo 1-1 na the other games ni nyina 2 teams ni se ni nyina Kotoko waji league no ti up to Kotoko so oba we ni ana obenya draw goals wom no ahye 3 matches na aka won anim no 1992 league die be wie no na points between Kotoko na Hearts no 2 points na cha 2 points no se Hearts of Oak etimi ewe ne ma na Hearts ne eba Ashanti region against Kuma Pem Kotoko so ne Akotia Diamond Stars last show enti eni wo ho say Kuma Pem timi Hearts oba 87 ni nyina no punish Hearts so kombia so Kuma Pem ebe we ne sa match no Kotoko dika ko say Akotia Diamond Kuma se de Kotoko win match no Kotoko say 2 ewe ne game no enti ya yete ya ne say match na eba so Asante Mampong St Andrews College Park ene ya yede Winneba campus akwa si ayi no apia Minka University no na match na ya calling off adaya Hearts Jesse no obehye no Hearts an reporting tem enti ani Kuma Pem Jesse no ehia ena Hearts an reporting tem na Hearts enchange Jesse no omse Jesse no omwo no se omka so omde bobo na enso enti ani enka Kuma Pem change na reference si da bi se Hearts an change Jesse na nya de abo no ye beto aso so ya mobo no ama ye te Hearts 2 points biom SF ye wie na Kotoko agi league road 40 points so sa photo finish 92 no Kotoko agi league no
wow
Hearts antimi anye ba 1985 de ende match ne ye boy no Kotoko any Hearts ye wie na Hearts of Oak agi Ghana league so this time another photo finisher two sides no 2005 Accra yenya draw na India squad ajata tetika but it took a year team and de Power FC and a panic Kotoko tema 2-0 Alejani Kwabrayaru Emma Kotoko kwasa Kede Hospice Emma last game no Kotoko eshe Brekumas Aziz Ansah Stadium Kumasi penalty Emma has ekolusu 2 drafts ekwo ganza mo Prince Ego ne kwasa first goal mo say has 2-1 ena Kotoko de ye wie league no na ye bumper to bumper 1 point na ba Akurama so kaya na friend Akurama ko sa ye wie no na 3 matches na aka na Hearts atiaba na Kotoko de 7 points gap na Hearts ezan say olusu to power no Kotoko share na 1 point e ma no be 4 points ena okolusu last game na Kotoko share na 3 be ka 4 man 7 so Kotoko won 2005 league no and so e ba so nti
okay
match ni more day one say maka chiro say 2 teams no obi awo ade bi say Kotoko share has 27th day of month biada say January to February the last time we share 27th no 27th November Dr. Che first test against us e Kumasi 2016 na ye match na game aye bono as Jesus Ghana league club association Gaka e di G6 by ni akoba ba ko January 2016 wo Esipon ama Kotoko age so yes about 2016 na biem November na Kotoko and has go draw e Kumasi 1-1 penalty shooters no 2 teams no obi a start 11-11 changes no me ba ko ye miensa ba ko ye mienu asa na yepon ye we na combined team no a mo ball no pack 27 players penalty shooters no so no ye bo no player na Hearts say ba ko Daniel Kodie Erodon ko so say no ba ko to player no ball ba ko say na Hearts DJ cap no eye Prince Akwa no say jersey number 27
okay
ebiam so no unum say enkran si e ball na manta ye bomu no Sunday etwa to sa abosome no nya de Hearts ase Kotoko Accra ba ko pe na yenya independence okaya Stanley Matthew ba Hearts no 26 May na last Sunday of May say year no 26 May and Hearts Kotoko 2-1 e won kran na nya league ba ye de ba professional ba ye de ba top flight ewura mu 1958 ebesi ne Hearts are yet to beat Kotoko in Accra Stadium
the last Sunday
of Bosumi Bia say January February March April May June July kosi December
BYT Samuel
Wadu ne has a 5 league matches any Kotoko Ashen 1 1 drawn game 3 wins for Bodu
wow
so what you say Kotoko Ashen 1 na NC Cup Bodu has a 3 1 drawn game
wow
5 matches played
BYT Obesaba
and Emma Beble
Obesaba
na ko year no in 7 years or the FA Cup ni we aba be 7 years Hearts and Kotoko including Tamale match 7 years Hearts no Kotoko
7 years e be date back 2014
yeah
2014 say 2014 Kumasi draw 2015 Kumasi Hearts be share so kai sa match no Silas Eji they born February 2015 na ade bet ye born Saturday ade che Sunday Ghana ene Omani dia de Ivory Coast finals ewo African Cup of Nations so your league matches na Friday na Kotoko has be ball Saturday ewo Sekrum Silas Eji 7th minute e da no na Mutawakilu de keeper JCB a no obi ase wogu ase enu ase be da pool nim no so has won ena dodo has ase Kotoko Patrick Razak in 2018 Kumasi ebe said only go has won that match ena ball ba ko so has say 2 penalty shootouts has the share Kotoko so win penalty shootouts against us Kotoko has 2-1 from a goal down ena Tabia Super 2 home and away Kotoko say has 2-0 Kumasi Accra obekaya ye de eye tournament bi cup bi be si Independence Cup has say Kotoko 3-1 Kumasi and they goalless has a cup no Sabra Krana near ball eye cup match na friend President Cup Kotoko so the penalties eji free has in them Kotoko na asisia UN Cup 2-2 ewa Accra 2016 or maybe ball boss mount and a famous match played 19th March 2017 ball Ahmed Anam say chia eye anas expose ebe chere say referee je aponche wo ho no and so
you protest referee yes
and so Kotoko elusu sa match ni na Accra Sports Stadium matches o ma bono na me ball boss ma no Kotoko lusu sa match no omusia NC Cup finals e won cry semi finals penalty shootouts Kotoko beat us in Accra so oma say sia eye truncated league 2019-20 Kotoko beat us 2-1 in Accra ena omo asabo na no goalless draw in Accra so ena Tamale say wo kan entina me pese 3-1 cup match finals yes yes and so has kuta 2 penalties victories Kotoko so kuta 2 penalties victories ba ko ye President Cup ba ko so NC tournament semi finals has penalties ni nyina so buy ewo Jesus ni mienu nyina so mo de penalties ena yi Kotoko okaya eso efrim ena de aka no wins no Patrick Razak in Kumasi ena in Accra so eye penalty Vincent Atenga Boshe which is 2 Kotoko enya more wins than Accra so fu
in the last 7 years.
Yes the last 7 years
okay
open play no has ya say miensa has ya say 9 2015 ena 2017 Independence Cup 3-1 wa Accra no ena omo say share Patrick Razak go ha ena omo share Vincent Atenga so de no enti open play no has victories no ena Kotoko so de no 2-1 mienu ena eye omo say win eye cup finals penalties mienu enso ade afrim on that occasion ena eye 3-1 in Tamale eno so ye President Cup Kotoko enso nya nti ni nyina no still an a tie si on Kotoko ni as no obi anyo obi a oba mede all time meetings wo Accra Stadium no kwa since 1954 September 5 and I said 5th September 1954 omo first match in Accra Stadium mede ni nyina ne head to head ne beba ya mepa any tina no ne awura game ni mu any bibia o sa otibia so ewo show no so
fantastic bright yebo Taylor na hotel in Karenra Hearts of Oak Legon City se kamienu emomo etimu ba ko dwumade na wie no coach Samuel Boadu ne nsam nie.
Very beautiful, very fantastic. Then all of the spectators can witness that the fact that Hearts of Oak, we have a good team. We have a players who listen to instructions, tactically, mentally, and physically. They are really good, and I love the boys so much. And sometimes when you play the game tactically, we have pressing, high pressing, then medium pressing, low pressing. Low pressing. When you do the low pressing, it means that when you are tired, you need to sit back and relax and allow opponents to play, but you shouldn't allow them to penetrate. That's what.
Pure FM.
Coach Samuel Bodu to so ade to anim say then na supporters na nhwe no nyame bo akwasiada na nsam sunie.
What I need from them is they should come in numbers to support the team and the boys as well. We are going to deliver. They shouldn't worry at all. We need the 3 points. We don't have problem with Koto, but we have problem with the 3 points.
So the 3 points is going to be House of Folks comes.
Yeah, we are looking for that 3 points.
Okay, Coach Samuel Bodu Nensam eso no free bania eso ekasae after the game in Ra.
Well, as I told you last time, they would have gotten problems. So the only advice I will give them is it's a good team, they are doing very well, but they should work on their finish.
Okay, such a great advice from Coach Bashir Hayford. Ono so ne dia odiama had to vote eso eno na dwuma de ne ba na wie no na akwaya nije kwa esanse Coach Samuel Bodu and he had to vote supporters no Jaman kwa.
Pure FM. Pure FM. Pure FM. Pure FM.
Special moment for Accra to vote against Legon Cities and no credits and ball I'm ranting the boy and make teams ni na. My very good game and I just can't wait for Sunday. Asante Kotoko and Accra to vote. I can see now bet to me Abaso will be extremely fantastic. It will be a great game. Darling Paul, and no Coach Bashir for Chess Ampa.
Yeah.
Also 3-back system be all bet me abo. But the kind susu say Ibrahim Salifu ene Daniel Free Bani enom de say no asika kono kopie me wo hwe ball ni bi ni de e wo say Sam Rantie mienu e free de hwe nra no e wo so to onsa from Black Stars oni omo ya adwen
yeah me no omo ya adwen him ne eye Free Bani Daniel they are very good players omo ni ball ne ball Free Bani Madika kan ho asem kakra but Salifu Ibrahim no Coach Ignatius say Obi wadamfo no ubisa na obeka to say at the point level on the struggle no mu come nyina ye that boy no mu lose no
okay my 2 points na say into for so
me for so pa
fantastic
these are players we see edo mu national
great you heard the Coach CK Akono nra ono ankasa de nani kohwe bi no the decision as far as local based players no air concerned na enra supporters omo pie mu Accra Sports Stadium mu wie no so no enija na do makoma so a chese jama o say no crane say super clash here this season enya bia he okumase ne de e ha adwen National Sports Authority next season no yem pass I na china e was say ball should be bakumase asantemam na yenso ye hwe bi na yenso ye nije na enra enkran ye de pa esanse dwumade ne ba na we no supporters ne bebre ko gina park na chi e gina omo se ade asan o ball no mo mpena na jo na so hwe live on Facebook a o hwe ampa enyame boa kwase dey die Empire Bedra ebe very nice moment as far as Ghana football concerned na ye hwese no so ebesi akọ na opanya friend Kujofia no so akasa o say wo bibia yemfa mo referee Daniel Lai no so emodemo no enso ani na mebu akwasiada
the last FIFA course for my referee so that a referee they want to see in the Qatar World Cup until Ghana should do everything humanly possible to protect him and help him meet the standard that they want to see a Ghanaian referee in the World Cup. In our own way, you feel that this year having a referee like that who is being monitored, you before having Kotoko, and you have the best criteria, have tough fight to be as good as good Kotoko. And now, no matches. I will say, your money, you don't share the body in it is off your craft, but you should leave about those things now. You know,
okay. Opanyi a ye friend no Kojo Fiano or an executive board member ma Accra Great Olympics, a veteran football administrator. Names SON no na ye ka say had to work supporters ni bebre ko PM Accra to work secretariat omo kope tickets ni biato na nipa gu secretariat to na no pay no game we dem say enya foreign referee kwan ye hia foreign military officers is as a man for nya brom gu secretariat or pictures e ba no ano dem papa ya obi abehu nipa gu a oma to something just a line o matwa omo so hwe animu say we dey 25% ne dey gi say asembesi o 25% ye be senia and so ebesi akwa as far as game we so eye concern coach Bashir Ford eche na dwe final game no and senia omo so modemo no esi ekoye as far as 2-1 loss for Lagos Cities no.
Well, House of Folk have done very well. We took the game to them and they were able to stand very firm. Unfortunately, we had already considered 2 goals and we had to make sure we redeem one. And then the second half wanted to sell our game. They did well, they stood for the game and the whole of the 45 minutes for the second half was for us. But they did well. And I think we have sold a very beautiful game for Ghanaians to see that Lagos Cities is not a team to joke with.
Okay, Coach Bashir Ford and Oma had to work a very good game. Credit to Jonas Atukwe, Victorian Adebayo, Nashiru Mohammed, very good player, and Justice Anna Nenomane, Michael and Pedunum, and Nucleus Mensanum. Oma had to work very good game. But again, Yedika said goals and had to work share, no, and Kumasia Sankot Komodemo, Fabio Gamanum, and Ishmael Ganiu, Nimudasi, no more. Kwesiada Empire. Had to work for Tom tickets no so we here live on Facebook and nipa gu no anya nipa ketwa chum kotoko so mo Tom de anyway
you bebo Chama Demanyane na Kwame national executive na baso say nye nyina ni wo match no but omotu na mo be afi say Ebuayen supporters kotoko supporters na from Bonohafo Asante region other regions ni nyina say omene afi ni kotena say that say nra ama omo so say kotoko supporters na eba no say yesu be here take it no witimi free Kumase e bia be draw Sunday ne bia take it ni nyina eden asa eti omo ne efe na tena say efe no so ama take it ni bia e wo NCC4 no etu ye koroko supporter na Obunohafo wo Asante region u free sirem na oba mesra o say mempere ho sisi yi obetimi afresh opo ko Sunday na no pa na person nya take it free sisi
okay
free sisi
let's say the 25% one year sharp there
yeah say yeah slot na free sisi be ma ye ho ahen ne there almost be 5,000 be there be the NCC4 no
okay
I feel say F4 so say ko supporters na mo free Bono ne Asante region ba na say o so mo slot nti obetimi afre vice chairman na Kwame Dankwa
okay
0244 66 88 30
okay
obetimi afre na be send usika man anaso one ne be kasa na kwa be fa so abenya take it VIP all the stands in na take it ebi we nsema free say yeso number na craft on so timi prinya bi na yeso free akoka ho a ni ahwe mo mema mo betimi atumi mo betimi adede yoko boss stand wo na say sorry u pf dressing room wo ni e boy ade na songo be gina soro amen Musa bi ani e bono so so dressum kura ni ye dede ni e de na pempem wa masa
asambeba
bibi besi nyame adma Sunday obi anya de ma obi atime kwawe oba transport stadium
fantastic
ye kono them empire bomb bibiam ye catch and supporters ni say ye bobo ye ho match wenye K5 match wenye de manya match wenye 2 match eye nyina match pe bia so obi awura bia o make sure so obi wura nyame adma inshallah o e be make sure say de se ye ni a this season league ni e be ye
okay
ya 2 match ni din Tamale part 2
Yashmin mo akwaba na the edikan had to work supporters say Kotoko supporters say referee no omo ene nye ne ho menim say had to work more reaction bia referee no mususu say on na betumi adi match no
well yeah the referee bi omo ne baba bia ba say Kotoko say omo ne nye no anko mu nchenyi no mo because ye kura na emwa yen because Kotoko for no omo ye referees me ni bi ama referees be dane ha asantamfo Agovi na Said Bomson oh omo house for omo so share house no mo di etie house na yahu se wonye house ni nti saa Daniel ayi ahun so omo yanka se omo mpeno nti edin se oboji bibia tie kotoko oni se oje abeka se ha yanka nti ye be kwa agency ye nti ye nya kron komo sesa no
okay
mo no aka se go free cry la do mo she 2-1 no referee no so no what Aston Emmanuel Sean se brata ebo abeka ya wo abokoto under 20 da no di mo se na meta se no didi matches odi matches wo asim bono you see me kasaba one what you asked and was how han da wo adabraka kuma sha adabraka so into ofiri ho no me
nyabutre
da wo kan
waka
because Emmanuel Sean wo kuma made of satan no kotoko wa kuma sports onu George ya mo ane see ade no satan mo sports council yes ono mo chichi bon kan but ya fa na be ya fa na nim say we kuma minim no oni mi satan no say your box match na say na referee am oni na edi nti wo ye sta kakra sa no de call police no call ye referee ana ye transfer call wa ana ye has match ye be di akras ana oji last minute penalty ya ye di so go fie enye say ye di penalty a wo say no ti park as say member so ya ye di nti afa na mo ka say referee wo ye nkrani wo free akra ba ye yi na wo ya asante na ofri kuma so ofri ashton ne de wo be di ye say tu ye nye nipa ya ne omo 3-1 no e wotamane no referee no so security e gba has nyante chu so no ya kotokoni referee no so ye fa ne free wa go ye de ali alasan ne be na ali alasan omo kotofo na Nigeria de be chi no mo ye protest na change ali alasan e na de sa referee Nita na fa na Isaka no Latif Adari e be di omo sha 3-1 you understand nti sa wo ka che say referee no free nkran ya ono wo free nkran no obedi atia has e me ya hu say wo ye nkrani so wo di ma go wo di na koto has mi nipa yanka nti o make sure say koto we nti ye kra no omo nsesa no maye
wow
yes so omo so before referee ye jitum
referee bi obebe bia
yes say tum no kra de bebe di kra pona ye jitum ba ye pere obi referee akra
facts the ehun
dem kan ni na me facts
be patroti the ehun on this season this referee obi anka so onye good referee utie kudu fiano nsem na okana ye mbo mo ba tori be so ya na ya di football na ti see a ball tournament to Africa Kenya Ghanaian referee na so acha say eti enyi na fi so good referee by the ehun on this season entina so twasapa referee appointment committee this referee ye ni Bekum Arsenal ye complain kakra ehun sem obeka kire this opposite a protective referee na emani ntia obi na so asana duru ba bia beka say yambo no ho ban
referee
yambo no ho ban in such a way
referee no ye metumi aka ni say ye nya ebeji atum na results bi ebeba bia
obi ye boka ye team di tika kase ewuram obi kan boko so ye di tum ye ni has ni team since anas video ni ba bonten has ni team ya tu omo so omo kotoko na as referee ye twa pai ba dia ma no epeni make sure say ya no go on FIFA referee Latif Andali na okano oye FIFA referee
anas you want say
anas referee bi de ne mre abeto nchan no wa di bo ansem pata mo nyina ma no twa bi am video so no bi am betim di amaye search referee o me di search match me kan chance e mo ho ban after what see yen
as go nya penalty the same match wanje okay on no kodo mo si obi de nsa yi ball no the same referee as go your pia Mudasiri pia as go play to etinya boss wanje osusu wo se referee woni ndi
referee na ono anebedi chum Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no denti na osusu se nyambu akosi adam mbeje 3 points no
obi football no hwa yen coach na hwa team na ekura sisi ya metimi aka cho se so wo hwe from your midfield no me can be akodoko ye bomb match a hwe in place na omutimi create goals in ba koman otimi ko esamba
okay
yenya player bi di se Adamu Mohammed yenya Anabamo workaholic so when has be sia no nya set players ni bi otima acting so be shawo mo when your player bi to say Simbo draw otimu that is Fabio Gama
on Steve
Drew
okay
unya has be bonya player bi to say Steve Drew that's Fabio Gama
okay
bia obetimi agina free kick ba penalty corner Mudasiru workaholic
okay
so unya set player obetimi afesi afutu other players no fit so more den obetimi akwasa ba anu ba nyam bia we informal oba said house we nya Obi Junior no yesu benya yen striker ya obo 3 matches ya o she
Adumaku Ivan Adumaku na ekwa akono no
say obo bie be fa pon bia no
Adomako be
obetimi attach ball na dia man
matwa bia to o Adomako
enu hwe defenders na ubenya your central defense na so hwe tama na kotoko etimi tina house so na in national team no ubenya kotoko defender from goalkeeping up to number 5 no ubenya omunyina for blaster ubenya Muhammad Odum wanya Muhammad Bonuma Salif Wansa ubenya Imana Ampia ubenya Frimpong Manson Garibamo omunyina e ko blaster eto obehia hasa think but you reserve Jemfia come from blaster it's confidence in osoro because we share big teams about big clubs about Africa it will be share ni nipa bebre wana sa so ni da onsoro sa attention
okay
you set players are you feel see from more national teams
more international experience players
Abaroa
okay
say from your 4 your goalkeeping 2 and 3 4 and 5 Bo Africa your free national team be akwana 20 just say who start expose any the confidence in wa o me gina match yem amane panike ye man pass man hompo a obetimi agina sa tension na no etimi abobo no ama etimi awini etu hwe team na 30 players na ya register ni nyina no so ye ko a metimi obi metimi aka kire say ye betimi anya almost be 18 players a omu nyina coach ni at the day no coach ni do mu gina match ni mu a ombetimi abo ade awini ade amakrobia Kumasi Asante.
Okay, Chum Medas Bebre or chief communicator Emma the National Circles Committee of Asante Kotoko na nsem nie or say coach Mariano Barreto mu ogidie sronku woni mu se esanse wasom Black Stars asom wa mano nyina no experience obetumi dia ya adwuma no na ohwa abakose muso a se Kotoko kra midfielder ano edin a Obo Anabadi Obo Adamu Mohammed Mudin Kotoko so midfielder Steve Odro mu nyina anti omo Mudasiro Fabio Gama muso be gina midfielder etwa fa futumu so a ombetumi akọ omanim de to so mensa Evans Adomako omde na ekwa akogina no na ono atoto ntena no ama team of friend Asante Kotoko na de to so 9 a etwa to no empempi no se Kotoko players for Black Stars ni mu a eya aboa Frimpong Manson nom Garba nom Odumu ya kase Ismail Ganiu ne Ibrahim Moro nom ene Yusuf Mubarak nom nyina no e wo Black Star ni mu a experience na international exposure manya wa mono no eno omu gina park ne so a omu ebetumi abobɔ no ena Steven Odro abebre na friend Fabio Gama ono so beboa ama Asante Kotoko enya 3 points no.
Pure FM
Asante Kotoko
Okay, Asante Kotoko diere no na Yashmin my also the entia ususu se nyame bu akwasiada had to work 3 points ni na e won kran.
Well, obi the entia inshallah yankopo opportunity be 3 points na say league no e start ya no edu abi na Kotoko lead 7 points.
Okay.
Ana ya anti Kotoko points na mbaka hasija no ba ye no nwa ba yepe ana ye beda amani which means you improve. So yes I say pe na omo twa mu cause omo say omo ni but yes am be to omo san omo Congo Soldier no bi a wa attack Sadio Mane there when no be siro no
on attack Sadio Mane.
Yes, Sadio Mane wa china attack Congo ni Senegal. Yes, African qualifier no one man ye no aduma jibo from sans atwene ma Sadio Mane da form ni say munya star video ni photos na no one yes Sadio Mane ho aduma one friend Fabio Gama. So ana you see this season so no Ofia Muhammad Alasana, but among for money, among for whom, yet then last year mistakes in compare. This is what Bobo Power. And I so was super count on so maybe because the 15 what year, our mum no more person mobile tacky. By ye, almost Sibodro no about Hassan, need to be some material for you.
No Bokotoko. No
Bokotoko. Yes, because Hassan or Castle or Bahasa on Bontia Kotokonti and Fano. Inti Obokotoko, net me Kotoko train for you now. Into we share in wa ama mo bench mana for money and sabotu money in natimo kra no amono kra no wanyizi e na oba enfifi ho no so no afutu na omo pesa motake no afutu no ono no ye tamiawu oye ndan ntimi ntake no nti we share in wa solid animu ho so de me gidi say abaya mo adaje omo obari to oba yes alesin bia no yi we afri no do ya se mu yi bia afri still omo na bobo ko ba ne no ono so no under 20 wa captain who say has the Ghana beji cap has player captain che ba ko bi a captain akoji wa asan captain akoji under 20 no kro so nations cap na has nti ono no ani Brian Salifu no so de nse togwe na sign no boy no so ba so no wa nguna ni mase wa hu say chief na assign no nti wa yi ni nyam no bobo ye de say national team go Georgia Makoye blaster management committee better than Afra has players say no mo se kase ket no e has nti ono so ye kotokoni ntu has player bobo ko kanya miani kura ya mfrɛ nti no omo da has na no mobo so ana obi junior so ono so aboa hu ye be start season before I sign my friend catch say massa this season ye goals no gira so upa ye so aka nko gira kire de bia wo 18 ya wo hye go o se senior mate me da ya me tu omfo oti yan so hye goals this season wanya 9 goals even including FA Cup wa hye 10 goals nti we hye attack na na ball na ye ball so no ye goals score na da first ye ne kotokode wo hye goals pa ye yen nti no eno na me hu se enya me boa ye betumi atu afa kotoko so agi ye 3 points
na home advantage ni the Accra Sports Stadium Park ni so the advantage be anim
yes advantage wo say hwe nura enyuma ye to ya enye bi no nkofoti bibi besi ye no enyo so anu na start ye sun bafwe phobia madu ye sun bafwe chego yenso phobia madu sun bafwe chego yenso ye start anu ansana ye national anthem na be kanwa enye fe no mo be unse no mo ka ticket no ye ya to wie dada nti ka se bon fo no ka se mo ye kra ya ha so etukuro mo kra ticket na ye de man ya Accra fo no ha support ya to kra wie dada nti mo de mo ba frefre me ya di mo sika yenye
mo afi na mo jibo ticket na afi na moto
ye to ye say ye to nti na me ka se home advantage in there de here say referee no be ni fe man ye say me jibo ya be ka say kotokofo be ka say me ye has ni ntu no menje ena nansan so wo hwe offside bi o mo gigi tie ya ye boss o mutumrika o nti assistant referee o mo nsu amerika tu because ye boy bi tumrika no o lead pe ni apage flag ye hu say ba bi ye ball na say play ni move no amo hwe no so because ye boss o mutumrika pa ena kotokofo o mpe ne mo nkodi dua na ganiu ani ayi mu bar mu mutumrika papa hwe de ya ye tumrika nsa play me nkodi page flag say offside nti ya de home advantage in the ye amo sa Accra amo home onso ho amo bo no mo dwane ye e ba ayi obo ase ene o mo ko ntere ho because league no share league na on say has so league mu ade ene ye match bia nso no hwe Accra team so no kwan mo de has fa onso no match on say tension pa ba nti say ha ye hia o ya na ya je 4 points ni 3 points me Accra team so no bia no ya fa na easy we che say has of folk hwe ye boys na o mo mini and then we hwe ye coach nso so a we hwe second round no ba ye matches ni na wa lose 2 as good and dreams in Asian and we draw Karela any Olympics they can you know you understand into no yen your coach and your players and then we shall quite say has of ya unity na me nyini say kotoko we to have cause bibia ho
okay yeah that's bebre Yashmin also odiano no
Pure FM.
Enti Yashmin so the no say coach Samuel Boadu 2 losses 2 draws the haka nyina no ye nkunimdie enti omo ogide sronko wo Kofi Esumu se obetimedi nkunim ama omo na Kotkoli has 7 points and omo atoachi omo ase omo na lead league no enti eye den ya omo na kura last minute vim na omo de call manim omo goalkeeper Richard Ataso omo ogide woni mu fullbacks no so no enkanka Radio Voka ene Fatau Mohammed no mo no omo ya mrante omo betumi aboa ma hate work modem no so etumi akora anim midfield no so afutu wɔ hɔ Di Maria wɔ hɔ nanso anya de be from Black Stars nyina mu no Hartwig was Amranten and of course attack no so no goals and Hartwig edida league no so ɛno ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ebetumi anya goals no na kyerɛ sɛ home advantage no so no kotkoba ho bedwane ɛkyerɛ sɛ anya de akotko tumi to aso di ne dwumadi wɔ hɔ a ɔmo ba ɔbo asenti ebehwɛ sɛ ne no so ebesi akɔ Yasmin and Achum why they win Ghana Premier League no
Obi betimi aka cho say Kotoko NFA
Kotoko NFA
Genti Amika san say this
NFA league no
Accra House of Folk 2021 so
okay
Genti Amika say ebefa league ni say wow the kan Baba Yara Sports Stadium this season Kotoko league matches in aboni nyina a home from away Testi Baba Yara Sports Stadium eno hwe bre ai woma some po free Kumasi Kwabuasi na te said oti Kumasi a bia oti sports hotel and I say ufree tech Baba Yara ebre bia anim by in players no any team no you be training Kumasi ni akoba match wa Accra you be training Kumasi ni akodoma you be training Kumasi ni akọ eti so kwa hwema position akodoko just see an obi anya ade a anka yesa kodoko team koda ho and players ni technical team any supporters abo mo modern pa sadio be nku a obi tama etwi mu be 7-8 points no na ade e Baba Yara Sports Stadium a obi ade ba ko a e friend say Yasmin kan a na me sere say na yatwe omu 7 points na omo ye ya betray ye no kure ba me no mi anu di ho adanse say your matches be one 12 points a free referees bottom on omo de ma has those matches in sanke draw kra ko mun san ho omo ne kemfo isa kemfo se go esi enje omo ne sharks ye hu de si ye eti referees be errors omo ye errors so ko omo make sure say has 5 matches wa Accra eti omo timi bo omo some matches no more winning after no more Jana has about Accra they winning on matches aka that is a strategy has team dia babisa ho e di coach impo ye kura ye mo home no ye bo home from away no ye team ya build this point now why ye team ya boa na abedwa bre chance
referees na boa
oh so be person hu a ye chance ya ne nyina ho de ye pe no na has da sen until say referees be boa am dubious goals
has of folk
penalty how many sacks abo bia be referee me pa chewo o ka bia na de o dim evidence aba obi ose me sira Ghana mabu me sira mo saade na me ye ne ma hu me betina fe na mu say saade na nya penalty ana maji
na Yasmin has referees abo mo
obi se video so video so matches ha sa ba video so ho e kire say boss bi wona ke anje ama ha sa e ka has no kotoko points nyepe video so set matches no ho friend say producers betimi aboa ya omunyi bi kire dem bobo di se me boa yam based on fact and next program ya ye anya yes fact the share points has be say akotoko say you some matches no that's a reference ni fair ye fair ma aka has way etikofo bi aboa omo na wa beduru obi ba slide ma omo so mbetimi agi league na den e dey free ensem etimi boy kotoko players na paso papa anya easy so be free home all the way to Accra. You try Accra how many matches never and Kotoko team no the best team of Ghana Premier League or the best in a way. So record that ho.
Incredible.
Clubs now ya bomb match this season in Kotoko and 4 points away kesi. And you go away wa Accra Sports Stadium. Ufi say dey nebesi. Ufi say dey nebesi obi. Eti mo muntina onyo omanum. Mo muntina ho nye dede. Current form. Omo je dede wa Accra Sports Stadium. Utin crime, Ebo Accra Dansuman, Accra Kwashiman, Accra, Kaswa, Osubajili. Tim said, Munina, Shahinomo, Legon City Omoy, Liberty Dansuman, it's Accra Trotron Abo, Woodbajili, and Yadia Bay. Okay, the catcher Koroko supporters say, Huntim more than Suma, Accra Trotro, Saudi Bajili, ye free Kumasi Kwasho, Yamad Sunday.
Fantastic. Yasmin, now minim says, na referees now, Boa Mama Madrum Pempen, Swamadri. To say,
but I'm starting on say no, Case. Omubo away, on my idea pa. 2007 when is house na J Lake yambo ba ko class post because they were renovating a class post for can 208 tini yabo home Cape Coast by year e she kotoko back to back 3-1 and 1-0 nti nyom nko na yebi
but one am bo Kumasi Sports we dey be home
yes but
the fact ni yen from Kumasi to Accra ba ko Cape Coast but from Kumasi to Accra distance ni yes
but why are there
yeah
me tell say
yeah dey free up Accra eba bo manum e did not build this point I am free Accra ba Kumasi
yeah the cap is
come to build this point
nka say ya bo home abebo na me say ya bi agele gida so and no ka referees ya ka team so am share na mo ya sa na referees no bo mo yantiti has the film yes miss what ka we miss yeah me ka based on this me last season Kotokoni 11 wonders 11 wonders go no clean go referee na anje anu so ye beti afrim o si referee no ya penalty bi and 11 and na no die ya omuko jikura ka say o si wan hu ni
Enrichi die Karela die
yes it means some common 3 points o me bua omuko abiana wo hu penalty a omunya ya referee na anje because of no name e koso ho no abiana nya clear penalty tie omu with the seed so yeah and that wo kan me wa no here that wo na wo ka say that na wo ka say Kinfesa an say go omo say ya je penalty make Kinfesa and na mo no ayi because player no e the ball connect fata free trade ball na no atia say ya je penalty ma because me
kumfum fighter
me wa no here omo ni ayi wa for one penalty e je mo we say this season apart from Kotoko has ya je penalty tia Kotoko ya je penalty tia omo ba yen ya gitia ye no enu krampo ni agi atia has ansa na wagi man ko wonje ye ni as gold ball fatao motuam ya ji penalty tia ye referee we so pa chaw
ya bande
ni ye you understand
goalkeeper oba gitia mu dia ya bande no ya bande referee
Yashmin trust
ya patapani ye ni yesi mo patapani ma ya bedo anya sanka mo na ho na me ka de ye say ya ti Kotoko ye ni as gold goalkeeper the try line no and can say money ba for and can also Kenya points by you lose some because of referee decision eliminate chance the penalty yamba say no your boy say no essence clear two clear goal and now no mo share 2-1 say 2-1 yan hwe the ni penalty onya dubious win yan no mo hwe goals no then enya yi boys no bobo ankas nti ye ka mo referee sabo ama ayemo aduana penalty 11 wonders clean goal yanje mo ni nanu ya mo ni Karela mo sa ni Interlice first one no muni liberty ye penalty nti da kan nyina mo ya boa mo sa from ayi so nti ye ka say obi a referee na dey tiepa this season ye ni ye start ye no as gold ana wo hu ye ni Karela mo yi bo ha mi ka betimi ye ni Karela penalty bi na en ka so mo jima ya mo anja men ye ni Karela first one na
first send this year
young clear penalty just say ya referee no crowd we I am friend back the children no pa chaw enu kan win is matter and can you come 62 points so
has of 62 points
oh me can was 62 penalty clear penalties you say ejima ya nyam ya na as good home they go 2-2 no enu say offside go and has coefficient referee ni eje yesu nya kojo ma eko sumu razak etunu duye diga bia referee si wanje ba mo dia mo tem penalty na referee age se referee anje a tum besi park so se wampene so nanu ya osi park so pass dia ya na me say to ball as dia titi anso ni ya di antinu match na ya bobo no anya fe na mo ba mo so akase betu swimming pool we ayi danim no mo swim and David say yanji penalty mo no swimming pool at the class sports edo over David wo hadma over da ho nanu dia ya keeper ati ball na odi na akopem ball no keeper ni sam na yanji penalty ama ye wi abusam coach say I can see it well huni ye ka sana Polak yaji omuni ni Salmina yaji Polak coach Jesus Polak say penalty wa enye penalty ana man pepa achaw so enti mo de ya penalty dubious penalty ayo Kotoko ama ya Nsonchoni no ya dey na bobo
oh Nsonchoni
na mo twa mo so mo ti say ai so China ni aso apochere ni ba ko
obi ma wuse baby awuti Yasmin ama question ma abusan ba me ya no
wo say oya no na nka say odi kan ba
oye Nsonchoni de
ba ya mo
nipa na nra mo so anu no
oye Nsonchoni ana ebi gumo ni ma se papa
musu go say supporters ni ma se papa
ebi Nsonchoni ni big Nsonchoni bi ani ma se papa obi sa boy ni nra na esenka obo Kotoko Stewards na baso ni yen tax force who say etiro ka say obi amfa ne sanka no Yasmin me ka che say fidie aso ka say obi amfa no obi boa o so obi amfa ne sanka no obi amo o
so to bobo no
oh no busa ne say ebo na me to ye no ana o se me to abosia chi o se me to bo o se me na mbusia se o to me to bo ana me to abosia na no mo ye sen ena na o mo ho ana onu nko na abosia na me sai ya no nko akogu no so
na den na se obi ka na se
e yan turo na o twa
o se nya penalty o
boy dem so oni me
de bia ya twa bi
e ti na me kan se o twa ntoro e ti mu ntie na asem ni ye me to bo ni abosia unim twum o to ye ma to hwe so just ba bia no ogina anu o commentary no ogina from first half no commentary ni supporters na ye enfi no ko obo ase a e ase opa na o me commentary bem che oba na ho ayema enkoro supporters ni down till say penalty ni ba ko ka se bi ma supporters ni bufu yo mu nyina rush no then ye ma for instance ti we ni tax force no e ko wo say de e ko so se BBC a ye na e be so yemu because stadium ni high say edua kura bu a champion fan chen obaji ni sika e bo match wi a obi ye twa old Ghana 100 million every match na say na nya ho ye nya sika ko pe bi be so e ti ani abre say ye be so obi abedi semonia ashen e ti omo kwane ni ko kasa aboko sebi nua supporters no di agro am fa won to ti sibra ne ko fam wo tintin tam so oguma ne mase no on si
obi ye na djuma
ho no be gina mo se ye mfa ye san kan na mom se se firi na so mfiri wo dia ye be pagya do akwa akogina ba bi etu so mpa no mo pagya no obi ye no obu no om ko di ko tena ba bi ye o wie ye no commentary oh you be anya na hwe
and you say uza no ma bi o hat of okunti se has
oh na your board members and penifo a om do om sika ewura Ghana football man ko ye ne football dum penpenso a ene ya betena ha ye kan bi ama Ghana classico ye koso the whole Ghana the whole world obi ani wo ho empo kodoma obi ye pagya om si abonten sa otam aso administrator up to now if phone kan won hwe obi odi ni sika ewura e de ne nkwa e de na ho odi nyina ewura football up to now mun kan hwe ya pagya obabesia just say man football o man nyina ti bi mem obabesia board member atop patrol gunikam I risk in life akwatena do ma hwe say man nyina betimi abetwa bi e man marketing ka de mba e be gina no so what so hu bi da or discover say buko halam do ma up to now obi an kan hwe presenter side but we only presenter mu se bogum hu fi kakra no nyina mo support no I am a Ghana football e say call anim FFO kam wasem etiete ha na ekwa Accra Sports Stadium anase osu enya ba bi che otalu na wo get wo bo the friend say wo team hu eka team manager bi anase opanyi bi bo ne team hu ka na oduru wo yesi ma nhwe bo ne bi kofi a office oba interested in league no man set issues I say addressing where enyo obi di obeba so ensentroni enti wakoya ade bia ensem fata enti be kan watem
de metimi aka ni say chum de metimi aka ni say ya no nya abutre adwenkyere ne doso won ho enti so obi unti won adwe ha
what is about say obia why na confirm you say obia fa ne sanka no
okay
ye person obia de ne sabe kan sentroni enti say na om ka bokoboko ba na yasmi kan sem bi Mr. Referee
Yasmin crowd on we na sem
me Mr. Central so kan swimming pool ni ade has so so ade ba ko bi ho Mr. two linesmen no be gina ho e be sere pa e has won so omo nom enom dokno no mo chena mo di Patrick Razak oye anu gina mo cha this season has wingers no yem fa records no metro matches o mabo has wingers no ana ya outside kese o Ghana
wa
especially Patrick Razak the biodinam
impression e bo
the biodinam e di so ba ya outside no be say de masa enya adwuma ye nyina afi yani umbeta me yakuku asa me ko ahona with the flag na to otoma odem referee bi no wale fe no odem e so mpega etu obi ya monitor ne de se Patrick Razak and omo wingers no enya ade a referees be hwehwe han na the offside goals e ba be say our Accra Sports Stadium.
Okay, the build up is on. Kumasi Asante Kotoko at Okambu Akwesiada. Enya grow cry. Very interesting game. Ya bema ye tie force wa bem na we bia utie free bia no so no do dia ba me sure say ne na no pay joint bia obia e wa because ade no ida so Kotoko na o has unique Pfizer ne bofo akwani bie no. No credit so Kotoko na o has. Inti de obia no na odia ba o hazaka so 11 wise so Kotoko na o has. No ewe chire but ya na montumi nka ne ye but ni nyina mu ye behwe senia ebesi akwandi afa aboafo no nsembra ye na ye nkwa ahoma ne so na ye hwe de Ghana for so eka
right here